Hello everybody, Dave McMahon here, Content Director at Powersports Business. We are in the land of Big Sky Country here in Great Falls, Montana area. And today we were able to take a demo ride about 25 miles around a ranch that is about 15,000 acres. It's just unreal. The terrain was fantastic. Got to experience some nice greasy trails out there. We had a little rain, so that made everything super fun and exciting. Today we had a great ride on the Pioneer 1006 Deluxe Crew, obviously the 2023 model. Dealers, you guys are going to be looking forward to having this thing in your dealership. We were able to experience the full windshield, which was awesome today in the rain because it was a steady drizzle for about the first half of the morning. And then just as we got to go do some trout fishing on the Missouri River here as part of it, the skies cleared, warmed up a little bit, and actually I was able to catch a trout for the first time in my life. So that was kind of cool today. But what we want to do now is get into the accessories that are part of this model with Allan Baynosa. He's manager of after sales at American Honda, and he's going to kind of walk through, like I said, I got the luxury of the windscreen today. I know there's a heater in this thing I could have used earlier, but yeah, just give us some of the highlights of what this machine offers.
Sure, Dave. So on this particular machine, for 23 model year, we have for this particular model, we've got 14 new accessories, and with over 60 total accessories for this vehicle. But on this particular model, we've got on display here, we've got the front A-arm guards, we've got the front bumper, the winch, hard roof, LED light bar, and as well as our two-piece windscreen just on this front area. Sure. Right here.
And then, as you kind of make your way back, what are some, I talked about this one has the heater in it, and I mean that's got to be a nice feature for dealers to be able to accessorize when their customers come in.
Oh, yeah, Dave, for sure. So yeah, as far as we got the heater here for this model, and then also we got a full cab available for this unit. So we've got the fabric doors front and rear. We've got a fabric rear panel. There's also an optional hard rear panel as well for this vehicle to make it a full enclosure and keep the elements out and keep the heat in, keep you warm, keep you dry as well. So really nice feature for this particular model.
Yeah, that was when we got back and saw this unit today with the heater in it. That was telling you what, it would have been a supreme addition out there today. But just another good reason for dealers to keep an eye on making sure you're presenting that to customers, because if they're like me, they would want it. And let's see, what about how about as we work our way around to the back here?
Yeah, so on the back here, we've got our accessory rear bumper.
Oh, sure.
Our rear aluminum A-arm guards. We've got our drawbar for anything you need to use for towing on this vehicle. Of course, the boat and trailer are not included as an accessory. But awesome. Yeah, that's what we got on this particular model. But like I said before, I mean, we've got plenty of accessories. I mean, over 60 to really, customize your vehicle to what you want it to be and how you're going to use it. Whether it's out on the trail, for recreating, or for work.
Sure.
So it's really, we've got a bunch, and I think our customers are going to be very pleased with all our accessory selection.
Yeah, based on the demo ride here today out in Great Falls, Montana area, I think that's going to be a true sentiment across the board. Here's this is the boat we took out trout fishing today, thanks to Honda and some of the local guides here. That was a cool feature. Just yet another thing, we actually took a Pioneer 1006 Deluxe Crew down to the launch site, so we were getting in that recreation mode, and fortunately a handful of us were able to have a successful fishing day. But Allan, hey, appreciate your time again.
Thank you, Dave.
Dave McMahon, Content Director at Powersports Business. Thanks for watching.